Coming to you from the Primo Noir Salon in Bowie, Maryland. Today, we're gonna go over some of my fun tips for how to keep your skin clear. Primo Noir, Organics and Botanicals, promotes healthy living through urban farming and all natural hair and skincare products designed for you to grow the longest, thickest hair, brows, and lashes possible. Join our referral program to earn cash, commissions, and bonuses. Text now for your free consultation or use the discount code PNBOGO for a 2-for-1 on all botanicals. Thank you for tuning in to the Primo Noir channel. This is Felice HD, and today's video is all about my face care regimen. I get stopped all the time when I'm out and people ask me, how do you keep your skin clear? What do you use on your face? So today's video, I'm gonna share with you some of my go-tos, and also I'll include the product information in the description box. If you are in the Washington metropolitan area and you need an organic stylist, or if you have any hair loss, we are on www.primonoir.com. So you can book online, and you can also purchase our products, our handmade products for hair growth and revitalization. And we are on social media at Primo Noir Co. So let's get started. This isn't gonna be a very long video. It's just gonna highlight some of the products that I use, and I'll share with you why and what types of things they've been helpful for me with. I'll start with my everyday, sort of. It's kind of low, I need to get some more. This is what I use to wash my face. It's the Olay 7-in-1 Refreshing Citrus Scrub Cleanser. It smells amazing and it's very affordable. I just use this when I'm in the shower and I want to wash my face. Moisturizing, especially during the winter months, I use the Magic Collection Rose Water. It's a hydrating mist. It's very helpful during these dry winter months. So take a look at this product. It's actually awesome as well. I use Olay Regenerist as the foundation. Whenever I put any type of makeup on my face, I always sort of base my my skin with a moisturizer first. And this is the moisturizer that I use, the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. It's fragrance free, and let's see. Yeah, you guys can see. It's kind of like, it's just like regular white cream here. It's very moisturizing. I actually love it, and it has a great scent to it as well. Now, I also use one other cold cream, and this is actually one that I use anytime I have any like dark spots or scarring or anything like that. I use this. This Pond's, I use this on my, I don't just use this on my face. I use this on my face and my body. Anytime you have any dark spots that you want to lighten, it's a very subtle lightener. It's not abrasive, or it's not anything like bleaching or anything like that, and it gives me the results that I'm looking for whenever I need it. And all of those, with the exception of the Olay, which I use every day, all of these I use sort of on an as-needed basis. So with the rose water, I may use this 2 or 3 times a day, but it's actually very helpful in terms of keeping your skin moisturized. Now, in terms of makeup removers, I don't really do those. And my main reason is because I just prefer to keep things to a minimum in terms of what I use on my face. So I prefer to use either the Thayer's or the T.N. Dickinson's Witch Hazel. And I'll use just a moist towelette or a moist paper towel, and take the Witch Hazel and remove my makeup. The main reasoning for that is that I've had reactions to things in the past, and my skin is very sensitive. So for those of you that have any apprehensions, you may be watching, you have any apprehensions about whether any of these are gonna work for you, my skin is very moody. My skin is very sensitive, and 9 times out of 10, If it'll aggravate my skin, it will probably aggravate yours. So, I mean, I just always look at that as something that, you know, when I use something on my skin, I always kind of wait and test it out just to make sure. I don't do a lot of the makeup removers because I just don't like all of the stuff that's packed in it. So if you are looking for a sort of natural type of makeup remover, I would say go with either of these witch hazels. I've had great results with either. One other thing I'd say maybe about once or twice a week. This smells really good too. I use the Vitamin C Microderm Abrasion from The Body Shop. This is very helpful in exfoliating dead skin, and it gives it a glow, but it's very grainy. So, and then the other thing is whenever I wash my face with Olay, or even when I use the Body Shop Microderm Abrasion, I don't use rags. I don't use cloth on my face. I always lather my hands. I use my hands to wash my face whenever I wash my face. I can't say that makes a difference either, but I will say that sometimes when you use washcloths, you will expose your face to the cleanser that you wash them with and all different types of things. So I would always recommend whenever you wash your face, whenever you put anything on your face, as much as possible. Sometimes you're gonna need to use, you know, of course, if you're making your face up, you'll need your makeup brushes and stuff like that. But if you're like just applying something, sometimes you can use like cotton balls or like the swabs or something like that. But I would just keep it to a minimum and apply with your hands, fresh, clean hands, you know, as much as possible. So just to do a recap, I wash every day with the Olay 7-in-1 Scrub Refreshing Citrus Scrub Cleanser. Once a week, I do the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Boosting Microdermabrasion. Whenever I'm preparing to put on makeup, I use the Olay Regenerist. When I'm just out and about and the climate is harsh or the weather is dry, I will use the Rosewater Hydrating Mist. Whenever I have any dark spots, I use the Pond's Clarant B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream and witch hazel for makeup remover. Thanks for tuning in. You can send any questions you have to primonoirco@gmail.com. And also, like, subscribe, and sign up for the notification so you can get the update the next time I post. Thanks for tuning in to Primo Noir. Have a good one. Love you guys.